Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google BigQuery, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Google BigQuery, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Cloud Platform website. If you don't have a Google account, click on Get Started to create one. If you already have an account, click on Sign in the top right corner. Enter your Google account credentials and complete the sign-in process. Once logged in, locate the navigation menu on the left side. Click on Select a project to create a new project or select an existing one. To create a new project, click on New Project. Enter a name for your project and choose an organization if applicable. Click the Create button to finalize your new project. After the project is created, ensure it is selected in the navigation menu. Next, select BigQuery from the left-hand menu under the Big Data section. The BigQuery interface will load, presenting you with a detailed dashboard. At this point, you may need to enable billing for your project. If prompted, follow the instructions to set up billing details. After setting up billing, you'll gain access to all BigQuery features. Now you're ready to start using Google BigQuery for your data analytics needs. Explore the interface and familiarize yourself with its tools and functionalities. Congratulations, you are now registered and set up with Google BigQuery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.